Let's jump right into this explainer on the massive developer and consumer shifts from Google I/O 2026. So what happens when your phone stops being passive and starts acting entirely on its own?
Google's Gemini is officially turning Android from a basic operating system into a proactive intelligence system.
Imagine Chrome Auto Browse acting as your literal personal agent. It actually navigates pages and books reservations for you.
Then there's Magic Queue. It works silently across apps, pulling up flight times before you even ask.
This AI layer is hitting hardware too. The new Google Book is coming right for Copilot Plus PCs.
But to actually build this agent-driven future, developers are going to need an entirely new arsenal of tools.
Enter Jules. It's Google's direct answer to Codex, operating totally in the background via the Gemini CLI.
You just delegate a task. Jules spins up a virtual machine, writes code, tests, and opens a PR.
And look at this. Google ADK 1.0 really stands out by supporting Java and Go natively.
All these tools, they're powered by Gemini 4's absolutely massive, leaked 2 million token context window.
For media, Veo 3 enters the Gemini API, making high-quality AI video generation shockingly cheap.
Finally, Android 17 is here, and it forces all apps to handle adaptive layouts. Absolutely zero exceptions.
But while Google builds this walled garden, a massive disruptor is completely flooding the open source market.
DeepSeek V4 has arrived, matching big players like Claude Opus and Gemini 3.1 Pro on major benchmarks.
To put that into perspective, it just scored a perfect 120 on the Putnam Math competition. Crazy.
Here's the kicker though. DeepSeek charges just 27 cents per million input tokens.
This is a brutal price war, directly threatening the margin-heavy business models of closed AI labs.
Crucially, DeepSeek V4 runs on both standard NVIDIA chips and domestic Chinese Huawei silicon.
This hardware flexibility literally bypasses US export controls, completely complicating the global chip war overnight. DeepSeek's strategy is pure adoption. They let developers run frontier AI locally with zero rate limits.
The baseline for open source AI just skyrocketed. It makes those expensive paid APIs a way harder sell.
It's the ultimate showdown now, an expensive closed ecosystem versus incredibly cheap open source deployment.
So, what do you think? Will developers choose Google's unified stack or DeepSeek's open source bargain?